Hey, welcome. Let me teach you how to change your oil. I usually just do shorts and TikToks, but cheers to more details, right? Today I'm working on a 2016 Subaru Legacy. I actually haven't done a tutorial on this one yet. I would have, but unfortunately I've been in the void the past few months. I'm back now, so let's get into it. You're going to need a couple of things. Of course, you're going to need your oil and oil filter, but you're also going to need a ratchet, a 14mm socket, a filter wrench, and a funnel. There's plenty different versions of oil filter wrenches, but I always go with this one here, so the choice is yours. If you're changing your oil outside of a shop, you'll probably want to get something to catch the oil in, unless you want a messy driveway. But hey, I don't judge. You'll also want to use jack stands or ramps, so you'll have some space under the car, but again, the choice is yours. So do as you wish. When you have all that, we should be ready to begin. In most cars, your drain plug is going to be on the right side under the car, but
The drain plug's gonna be right there.
you're going to need your drain pan here, unless you want to mess. Once you've done that, it's time to utilize that ratchet and socket on that drain plug. Let's just disregard that last part. Just be careful. Go ahead and drain that oil. While the oil is draining, here's something you might not have known about Subaru. If you're not interested in hearing, there's no hard feelings. Really, just skip ahead. Anyway, before Subaru became the company they were today, they originally were an aircraft research company that went by the name of Fuji Heavy Industries in 1915. During that time, they'd eventually become the chief aircraft manufacturer for Japan during World War II. How's that for some history facts? I definitely didn't know that. Let's get back to it though. By now, all the oil should be drained out. Let's go ahead and put that drain plug back in and secure it.
Or not. Your funeral. Now that we drain the oil, let's bring it down. Let's change that filter. Put the oil in the car.
Well, you heard me. Let's get to the best part. Actually, not just yet.
Let's get that first.
How could I forget? First, let's change that filter. When you're taking the oil filter off, make sure the black gasket is on the bottom of it. It's natural to make mistakes when you're unaware, but not paying attention to that could be pretty bad. After you've checked for that, go ahead and put that new filter in.
Oh my gosh, that was bad.
Once you've done that, now we can actually get to the best part.
Let's go ahead and grab that funnel and get it into position.
Let's do it. Let's put that oil in the car. This car takes 5.1 quarts of 0W20 oil. I'm using full synthetic, which is preferred by Subaru themselves for this particular car, but you can use synthetic blend. There's more than enough options of 0W20 in stores though, so if I were you, I'd stick to it. Especially since it's a better choice for optimal engine performance and longevity. Well, you've done it.
Oil change is done.
I'm happy I could help you today. If you want to know how to reset the oil light, you can find that in the next video. But if you've made it this far, thank you. Share this with someone who drives a Subaru. Leave a like, comment a car you'd like a walkthrough on, and subscribe. You're greatly appreciated. It's your oil change guy. Until next time.